Hey folks, welcome to Tech Access. You are seeing Python Hackerrank series. In this video, we are going to solve simple array sum. So let's begin the video. So two inputs are needed and this is the sum of this list. Let's start coding. So delete this all and then take input and you can take any variable equals to integer input and then we need to take list. So let name it as L equals to we are taking input and we are splitting it. Dot split we are taking the input and we are splitting it, like split it, and the input is nothing but the integer. And this integer we are mapping it using map function, and then this input is stored in the list. And now simply type print sum of list and then run the code. So and then submit the code. Yes, this is the output.